Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everyone. Preston Vogel here with Target Trading Academy, doing the micros market recap here. Today is 3:13 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, the markets aren't done, but we've been done since lunch. Nothing too special today. If we blow up our oil chart here, you can see that we opened inside of yesterday's range. Yes, towards the lower portion. We fiddled around between the two HVAs here, getting several entries from those HVAs that we give out the night before for winners, all the way back to the point of control where we are now. So about 6 or so entries, possibilities. Gold, if I just bring this back, also opened up inside yesterday's range, and then we had news. That's these large bars here. If you're trading during news, you're crazy. Excuse me, to have a little bit of a cough. But for the most part, it stayed within inside of yesterday's range before it decided to break out, giving an valid entry off of the HVA levels that we do give out the night before, and then retracing and then continuing on with that pump for another entry and another entry before making new highs in its current contract. Now the equities opened gap up and did not want to come back to balance immediately. As you can see here, we opened above yesterday's range, making new highs, making new all-time highs, and then struggling to get below. But once they did get below, they broke through and made it back to yesterday's range in the ES, giving an HVA opportunity for a win, not once, but twice. And then this is where it currently stands. And then NASDAQ did open up gap up, but it did go back towards yesterday's range pretty relatively quickly within the first 30 minutes or so. You can see it opened up here, came up, made new all-time highs, and then eventually came back down, giving HVA opportunities, about 2 to 3, all winners, before going back into its main body during the day. And then, as you know, it's back inside of yesterday's range, back towards the point of control, where it is now fiddling inside of yesterday's range. Now, Fridays are usually uneventful. I would say more so than Mondays, but that's my opinion. I do not like trading on Fridays or Mondays. Yes, there are opportunities, but today was pretty slow. If you have any questions and you want to find out what we do here, get in touch with us through Facebook. We are Target Trading Academy. You can reach out to a representative there, where they'll be gladly able to show you our rooms, give you a free lesson. As you can tell, we have plenty of opportunities based off of our HVA levels that are given out the night before, so that you're ready to be trading during the pit session hours, during the nighttime, the pre-market, and then you have those levels to use. And then, as you can see, throughout the week, we usually post several videos about our winners and losers. And then in this room, we usually highlight the micro trades. With today being so slow, hardly any were taken. There was one that I could highlight, but at this point, with how slow it is, I don't think it's really worth it. However, we do have the most live students in our room. We are the #1 trading education in the world. Come find out why we have the most live students in our rooms from our methodologies, and why we are the #1 trading education in the world. Visit targettradingacademy.com and get in touch with us there.